What does the future of work look like for the HP Workforce Solutions business?
You know, the future of work is exciting. You can think about the hybrid world where people are working from home, they're working from the office. Now you have AI personal agents who are understanding what you want to do, and they're able to take actions when you want the actions taken. I mean, that's an amazing combination that I think as an employee allows me to step back, do some of the things that I want to do with my personal time as well, be more productive at work, be more fulfilled in terms of this balance between work and life.
In line with that question, how are we using AI to provide customers with innovative solutions that actually improve the employee experience?
You know, AI pervades everything that we do as HP. So the devices that we have AI at the edge. And it's able to take the video cameras in a conference room and create sort of a natural conversation between us. The PCs that we have amazing noise blocking technology that is able to get rid of all the sort of surrounding sounds, the dog barking, the kid crying, right? Then you put all that together and say, okay, now how do I make it so that I can enable an IT manager to optimize that across 100,000 devices around the world so they can understand, hey, we got a workforce experience problem in Germany or Japan, and we need to solve it, and it's a networking issue or it's a memory issue in our devices. AI from the ground up is what's making this so much more productive and so much more enjoyable.
That's a lot of exciting news. And looking toward these next few years, what are the opportunities that you're the most excited about?
I think HP's all in on the employee experience and sort of the employee fulfillment being sort of the North Star for us as a company. And so you think about all the devices we have and the context they have about our actions and what I want to do. And that is what informs AI and makes it even more powerful. And you tie that together and you say, okay, now I bring that to IT managers and the insights they can get about, okay, how do I make my workspaces and my workflows and my employees so much happier? That's an exciting future for HP.
Exciting indeed.